Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B. I've got some news courtesy of a subscriber of mine that alerted me to a new update that just popped in for the KS series of TVs. The update is currently, from what I can see, only available on the UK website, and the upgrade file number is 1230.5. and in the US it's still, unfortunately for now, 1220.6, but that's likely to change in a few weeks. So what I'm going to do is my usual sort of comparative review, where I look back at the previous firmware and then I compare it to the new firmware, and we do some sort of side-by-side videos and look at what's changed, look at what's improved, look at what hasn't, and then we'll get back to you and with some new settings, and we start the whole cycle again. So look out for that. I'm going to be doing that sort of today and early next week, and we should have that to you very, very soon. So look out for that. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell to get alerted, and give me a thumbs up whilst you're at it. Thanks so much. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.